Maximize your profits with bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. 1. Bullish 2 candle reversal pattern. 2. First candle has a smaller red real body. 3. Second longer green candle completely engulfs the first candle body. For 100% accuracy must know supply demand, support resistance and order blocks. Watch our videos. Bullish engulfing trade setup. Note: candlestick pattern only give better result with supply demand or support resistance or order blocks. Our live account trade results last week. ROI 300% plus. To know more or join, connect us. Thanks for watching.